Hello dear students, so I am back with new video. So here I am going to teach you about the male reproductive system. So I hope that you have watched my previous class. So let us start our first topic. So that is your male reproductive system. So as you can see the diagram over here, so here you can see the diagrammatic sectional view of male pelvis, which is showing you the male reproductive system. So it has different parts. So we are going to discuss the different parts of this male reproductive system, and we will discuss its functions as well. So let us start the male reproductive system. So firstly, it is located in pelvis region, and the male reproductive system includes a pair of testes, accessory ducts, accessory gland, and external genitalia. So let us see what is testes. So in singular it is testis. Testis is plural, all right? So testis is situated in the pelvic region outside the abdominal cavity with the pouch called scrotum. So testis is present inside a pouch, a bag-like structure, a cavity which is called your scrotum, and it is occur in pair. Testis produce sperm. It produces male hormone testosterone. So testosterone is responsible for the development of secondary characters such as hair growth, change in voice, so which we had discussed in a previous class, right? That this changes takes place during adolescence period. So testis, it is oval in shape, so 4 to 5 centimeter long and 2 to 3 centimeter wide, and each testis has about 250 compartment, which is called as testicular lobules, and each lobules contain 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. And here in seminiferous tubules, spermatozoa are produced. So spermatozoa are sperms, which is a male gamete, and it is produced by meiosis. As well, the seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells. Okay, it has two type of cells, spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. So spermatogonia is male germ cell, okay, and Sertoli cells, it provide nutrition. So it provide nutrition to the germ cell, and this male germ cell, the spermatogonia, it undergoes meiotic divisions, and it leads to the formation of sperms. And there is a region outside the seminiferous tubules which is called interstitial spaces, and this interstitial spaces contain small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. Now, so what is Leydig cells? These are cells that synthesize and secretes testicular hormone, which is called androgen. In the first slide, I had told you that the testes are present in a scrotum. Now let us see what is scrotum. So it is an extension of abdominal cavity. Okay, its function is to protect testes, and it maintain the temperature. Okay, it maintain temperature lower than the body temperature. Now the second thing is that why is testis present outside the body, why it is not present inside the body? So it is because testis produce sperm, okay, and for the production of sperm it required lower temperature than the body temperature. Therefore the scrotum, okay, what does it do? It maintains the temperature, and testis is present inside it, all right? So therefore the testis is present outside the body, not inside the body, all right? Okay, now let us see what are accessory ducts. So accessory ducts are the ducts which transport sperms from the testis to the urethra for their release outside the body. There are four accessory ducts, which are as follows. Number one is retitestes. So what is retitestes? It is a duct that connects the seminiferous tubules of the testes to the vas efferentia. See students, for this you should follow the diagram as well, okay? When you are listening to the explanation, then keep your book along with you and just compare the structure. Then it will be more clear to you that what is retitestes, what is Vasa Efferentia. All right. Okay, now let us see what is Vasa Efferentia. So these are the ducts. It leaves the testes and open into the epididymis that is located in the posterior surface of each testis. Okay, it's open where? To the epididymis. All right. Okay. So epididymis, it is a complex tube-like structure in scrotum and it helps in storing sperm and help in passage of sperms. Then comes your vas deferens. It ascend to the abdomen and loop over urinary bladder. If you see the structure there, you will see urinary bladder is present. It receives duct and seminal vesicle and it open into the urethra as the ejaculatory duct. Now what are ejaculatory ducts? So they store and transport the sperm from the testes to the outside through urethra. What is urethra? So it is a tube-like structure. It is a common passage for both sperm and urine, okay? And it originates from the urinary bladder and it opens to the exterior through an opening urethral meatus. So if you see the diagram properly, there you will see that urethra is connected to the urinary bladder. All right. So this is all about your accessory ducts. Okay, now let us learn about accessory glands. So the accessory glands are seminal vesicles and it is also known as seminal or vesicular gland. It is found in male pelvis and its function is to produce many of the constituent ingredient of semen. Okay, it's contributes around 65 to 75% of semen and it is produced, okay, the secretion is rich in protein, vitamin C and enzymes, fructose, etc. Second type is prostate gland and it secretes slightly alkaline milky fluids and it helps in the survival of sperm in acidic vaginal environment. And the third one is bulborethral gland. The function of this gland is to lubricate the penis. Okay, so the last one is penis. It is a muscular copulatory organ, so it discharges sperms in enlarged ends of penis is called gland penis and foreskin cover the gland penis. So this is all about the male reproductive system, and in my next class I'll teach you the female reproductive system. So this is all for today's class, so I'll see you in my next class.